Hey, Adam from Gearizer. Welcome back to the channel. Got another exciting install to do for you. This is with Lumary Lights. We've got their second gen permanent outdoor lights, and then we've got their spotlights for the landscaping. My parents have this awesome lot on a lake, and my mom wants me to put these lights face the lake so people across the lake, people going by can enjoy them. I can't wait. You're not going to want to miss this one. I'm going to give you the entire lowdown on these products. So first thing is these are RGBIC, okay? I think they say RGBAI. You can control any of the colors of any of the bulbs independently, which is nice so that you can do a ton of patterns with it. Second thing, they are smart home compatible. Okay, so you can control with Wi-Fi through that Lumary app, full control over your devices. Connect to your smart home, whether it's Google or whether it's Amazon, no problem. And let's open the boxes and show you what's inside. Then we'll get to the install. I'll play with the app. You can see it all. And at the end, I'm going to give you my recommendation on whether you should pull the trigger on these lights or not.
First, on the spotlight, there are 6 of them. They are infinitely adjustable color and brightness. They come with a remote. The very end power cord is only IP44, even though the control and the lights themselves are IP65. So put that in a very well shielded place. I actually ran an extension cord and put it inside the house. You can see them here shining up against the wall. And there's a ton of different options that you can do as far as colors, as far as scenes. If you want to match it for different times of the year, you can go into the app and there are plenty of choices to be able to do that. They've got all of the major holidays plus minor holidays. And then, I don't know, there's several dozen scenes that you can pick from. You can also do it-yourself mode, change it on different colors, change it on cool white, change it on warm white. Do each of the spotlights a different color. You can control the speed, the type of light changing capability on it. There's really a lot that you can do and just have the freedom to do it, and that's really nice. You can see in the left side of the house the 6 lights lighting up under the 2-bedroom windows. Next, I want to talk about the Permanent Outdoor Lights 2. These are cool and warm, and they are RGBAI like I mentioned. All the powers and mounting stuff comes here. The main plug is watertight, so shield that in a spot where you can. Comes with 2 packets of strands, I think 3 strands each. You need to put AAA batteries in the remote. The remote has limited functionality. You can do color and brightness, a couple different whites that you can pick from, but other than that, you're going to want to use the app. Very easy to add these lights in the app. Plus corner, it'll say discover device. Once you add it, once it finds your Wi-Fi and it's added, then you can reword it, call it, rename it, whatever you want to name it. You don't want to call it LPO65F1. I typed in something here, but I think we ended up changing it to Lake Lights since they were on the back of the house. But assign it to a room if you want, and no problem. It may need a software update, so all you have to do is click on that and update it. Installation was pretty straightforward. Each individual light had a removable base. You would just stretch it out, stick it to where you wanted, slide the light out, and then screw the base in, and then the light would slide back in. My parents have white on white, so that was really nice. You can see I used a junction box way up high to keep that power source hidden from the elements, and then here we are having fun with the lights themselves. I just wanted to show you in the app a bunch of different options. Now the lights aren't going to match the app here. I don't have that same functionality, but you can see they're very bright, they're very colorful, and if you look in the app on the left side of the screen, all of those holidays, all of those scenes, just a ton of different options. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually go out, hold the phone in my hand, and control the house itself so that you can see what it looks like real time as I'm doing it. I started off just by changing it to different colors. This is your color wheel with your 16 million options, and you can control the brightness on it. Next is I wanted to just show the whites. So they've got some pre-programmed whites here, from very warm Edison style lights all the way up to very cool LEDs. And then again, they have the wheel. And then the multiple scenes that you can pick from that are already pre-programmed. Some of them are static scenes where the lights don't change. They're just a certain color. And then there are other ones that are dynamic, so that when you click on it, there's a bunch of different things that you can do. Now, it does have a fairly big DIY setting that you can have play with and control how the lights flash across or light up or turn off. And so if you're a creative type person, that may be something that's really good for you. I prefer to just go with the simple pre-programmed scenes already. That's very easy. There is another mode that is kind of a fun mode, and that's sound-based mode. So maybe if you have a party or whatever,
check,
they've got
1,
6
2.
different options
Check,
here.
check, check. Boom. Boom. Check 1, 2. Hello, 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 hello. 1, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Let's scroll. Scroll with me. Let's rock. Jazz, baby. Jazz.
Okay, so my recommendation on the Lumary lights, definitely a buy. The easiest to install permanent lights I've done multiple brands, and just really happy with how easy they were to put on the house. The app is nice, connects well to the Amazon Alexa smart home that my parents have. You can group them all together. It was just a pleasant experience. The light looks amazing. My parents are going nuts over it, and you can see it from all the way across the lake. So if you're considering doing it yourself, pick up a set. They're really cheap on Black Friday sale. You may want to get them before they're gone and they go back to regular price, but fantastic lights, really happy with them. I hope they last a long time. All right, bye-bye.